Hey, how's it going, guys? I'm back again. It's Clayton Squires at Santa Lucia's High School. What we're going to be looking at today is World War II and the Cold War. And specifically, the benchmark that we're going to be looking at is this one right here, where it says SS 912A 6.6. Analyze the use of atomic weapons during World War II and the aftermath of the bombings. So let's go into this a little bit. Okay, so Truman essentially takes Roosevelt's place because Roosevelt, during World War II, passes away. And so Truman was the vice president. Now he's in command. And during Roosevelt's administration, they were working on a top secret project, which was the Manhattan Project, aka the atomic bomb. And they let Truman know about this atomic bomb. At the time, we were still at war with Japan, and two plans were devised to knock Japan out of the war. And the one in the italics is the one that we went with. But let's look at both of them. So they dropped two bombs on the major industrial cities of Nagasaki and Hiroshima to avoid an invasion of the mainland. This was the primary thing that they went with. The second thing that they were thinking about was dropping a bomb off the coast of Japan and hoping that the shock wave and just the sight of the bomb would cause people to surrender. We went with a bold move by dropping bombs on these two cities, Nagasaki and Hiroshima. You'll see these two cities mentioned a lot on tests. And if you understand what they're talking about, if they say Nagasaki, right then and there, you know that they're talking about World War II in Japan. And one of the things that happened when they dropped the bombs on these two cities is they took a lot of civilian casualties. This one is an example right here where they're all wrapped in bandages from burns from the atomic bomb. Not only that, many of these citizens died because of cancer soon after. And then up here, you can see the textbook mushroom cloud after atomic bomb is dropped. Now, the question is, why would the US drop bombs on civilians? Why would they do that? It was based upon a lot of things. So let's look at it. The loss of US life due to an invasion of the mainland of Japan. They had estimated that we may have lost hundreds of thousands of troops trying to invade Japan if we were to do it the old-fashioned way. So the atomic bomb could prevent this loss of our life. They also wanted to bring an immediate end to the war. What was going to cause the knockout blow? This was deemed to cause the knockout blow. So they went with this also. And then they thought it would result in less loss of life rather than a drawn-out bombing campaign. Perhaps dropping two bombs versus continuous bombardment of Japan. So these three things are the reasons that they dropped the bomb. And then if we look over here at the picture, we can see US officials sitting around here at the table. And here's the Japanese prime minister and the military officials. And what they're doing here is they're signing a truce agreement for peace between Japan and the United States. This is the moment where Japan surrendered to the United States. All right, I hope that helps you out. If at any time, go back to the video, rewind it, take a look at it. Hope you like it. Hit the like button, and I'll see you soon.